This Country Boy Cutlery. I'll come to you with a few knives today I've been working on. First we have this A.G. Russell knife, toothpick style, made in Loyal, Arkansas. 2003 was the last year they made these. They're discontinued now. The blade I really like. It's a willow leaf style blade, toothpick style knife. The handles are real bone, jig bone. I threw a polishing on this knife today. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's probably 9 inches overall and 5 inches closed. It's a little A.G. Russell, made in Lowell, Arkansas. Good snap. Next I have any of y'all familiar with Western knives? I have a Western bird knife, USA. Got the main clip blade and the bird hook. The handles are jig Durlin with the Western inlay shields. Got brass frames, brass pins, nickel silver bolsters. Get a good look at that. I just want to show y'all, I started on this knife unfinished. Here's a before product of the knife. As you can see, the bolsters was still pinned. It wasn't ground into the Durlin any. The blade is unsharpened, dull. It's a brand new knife. The factory just didn't finish it. So what I did on this new knife is I put a factory edge on it and put another satin finish on the blade. I ground the bolster pins down and ground the bolsters and run up into the Durlin with my belt sander. Got it all smooth, fine looking. Also, when you close this knife, you can see you can't grab the blade. It goes plumb down in the knife, and they're supposed to have a little cutout in the knife, which I did. So, there's that. See the little cutout right there that I did. But yeah, this is my little Western knife. It's made by the Camellias Corp. Also got the box and the paperwork with it. I just have listed it on eBay. So we'll see what it brings. Alright, thank y'all for watching.